Hey guys, today I'll explain to you a pattern that is gonna help you understand what a reversal is or when does a reversal come. What is a clear sign that shows that the prices are now going to bounce back. So I call it the cup and handle pattern. If I mean, let me show you that it's been, time over and over. It has always been, shown that this pattern has always been formed, regardless which market it is. So today, it's like if we talk about September, there is a cup and handle formed. Okay, let me just first show you and then I'll explain this to you in detail of how this pattern actually works. So there was one there, there was one in Balakrishna, then there was one in Sun Pharma. It's still happening but not yet. Then you have in Titan, then you have in Pidilite, Bajaj, Finance of, yes, you did have here as well, beautiful pattern. And then do you have it in LNT? Yes, you have it in Cipla, yes. So yeah, you get the whole point, right? So I am basically talking about a formation like this, right? A U-shaped formation or a cup formation that happens almost every time in the market, right? So that helps us understand that there is a reversal coming, and usually this is how it happens, that stock tries to fall and then it falls and it falls and then it falls and it reaches some extent that it's trying to reject, right? It's trying to reject. Now it's not able to go further down, it's not able to go. So now what happens, the price starts increasing and it just starts shooting up. So that's what happens basically. So this, let me show you with examples of how the cup and handle pattern works, right? So if we see here, this is a very short form of a cup and handle that it got rejected here and then now it's trying to shoot up, right? So that's just one of it. And then when you see Infosys, you see now this is a bigger chunk of it, right? Where it came down, it tried to reject, and now it's suddenly it shot up, right? So again, there was a small cup and handle here, right? So you can just see it's just too obvious. And again, I'll just in a while I'll tell you how not to simply draw a cup and handle. So again, here it came down, then again it came down, it started hitting a bit lower highs. I mean, although my support levels were right there, the cup and handle formation was done. So here you see I have two conformations. One is my support levels and the second thing is a pattern that's formed. So it's a clear indication for me that I'm gonna go buy it. So this is why I bought Balakrishna at this point of level, and I hit my profits right today. Yeah, right now in fact. So oh my god, it's actually trying to increase more and more. Fine. So Reliance again, come on, you see there's a small cup and handle formation here, right? So right near the support levels, right? Again, you see here. So yeah, well, you see always in the past there's always a cup and handle formation done, and that's how it gets easier for us to understand when there will be a bounce back. Okay, or can I see a bounce back coming very soon, right? You see this is a beautiful one again, right? Then what else? Pidilite. I recently took a trade where there were two cup and handles formed. I'm not able to recollect which one that was. So yeah, anyway, so I'm gonna tell you now how exactly you should be drawing and how not to be drawing it. So you see, a U formation would be a perfect cup and handle. Okay, you're obviously not gonna zoom in and then try to predict it. You're just gonna zoom out and understand from an overall perspective how the markets are falling. You see this one, it's a beautiful cup and handle. It should be like a U, that's how simple I can put it, but it should not be like a V. right? V is just too much fluctuation in the market, but this is a smooth curve. You slowly understand with many candles that it's trying to reject, right? Just look at this, such a beautiful cup and handle. The volume started increasing and then it started decreasing and slowly started increasing, and now it shot up right after the exponential moving average, like 1969 all the way till 2007, right? So that was the best example I could give you. I hadn't even thought of it. I just saw it and I'm just telling you guys. But see, this one I would never call it as a cup and handle because it's too unpredictable, guys. You cannot expect a stock to be following drastically with great volumes. Look at the size of those candles. Amazingly, it's falling down and then suddenly it shots up. Just the exact opposite. I mean, this is just volatility. You cannot predict it, you cannot trade on this. It's just playing with a knife. You just can't do it, right? Even here it's a nice cup and handle formation. So you are going to basically what do here is you're probably going to wait for the confirmation. Once it reaches this stage is when you can start buying. This is when I would buy, right? Or I would do another thing is, right, somewhere here I would put a part of my money, and then when it reaches the confirmation I'm gonna go ahead and put even more money and then be fully invested in it. So this is the pattern that I follow to understand reversals and when would be the exact time I would want to buy, and it helps me understand my potential of profit that I can go till the extent and lock in profits. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much.